Hello everyone, it's Mercedes Guy here. Today I'm train spotting at Rosedale Village in SCR today. So we're going to have Waterline operator today. At the moment we don't have any trains arriving on the destination board, so we might have a couple of passing ones. Here we go, we got one now. It's the 20.25 to Benton, so that will come in about 2 minutes.
Platform 2 for the 20.25 Waterline service to Benton. Calling at Farleigh, James Street, Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and Benton. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
508-022 heading over to Benton from Esterfield, by the looks of it. One of the NGV1 trains. Quite rare catching a 508 in SCR as well. So off that one goes then, 508-022 off to Benton. That will now call at Farleigh, James Street, Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and finally Benton.
Platform 2 for the 20.26 Waterline service to Benton. Calling at Farleigh, James Street, Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and Benton. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
143-610 heading to Benton. One of the Pacers. It's the train that never dies, this one, in real life and in this game as well, because it's still in service in this game. A couple of them have been preserved in real life though, but loads of them have been scrapped. But it's the train that never dies, to be honest. Originally built in 1985, used to be originally built as a bus until it's been converted into like a train. So off goes that one. Pretty sure we're going to have quite a few of them Pacers around at Rosedale Village. So with no destination, with no services expected yet, we'll see what is next. And it looks like we've got a disruption event, which is near here and Esterfield. So that is expected for the next 5 minutes. And we still got no trains on the timetable yet, but we will see what is next when there is any services coming on the timetable. But there might be. Here we go, we got another one. We'll see that one turn up in the next few minutes. That is going to head to Benton.
Platform 2 for the 20.32 Waterline service to Benton. Calling at Farleigh, James Street, Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and Benton. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Another one of these common trains to spot on Waterline, but this one's not too common. 195117 is heading to Benton. This one's not too common to spot. I've not seen loads of these ones around. It's just the 730 and Pacer are the most common trains on the Waterline network, but this one's not too common. I usually see them not too often, even though they're the second cheapest. This one is the second cheapest Waterline train. There's also a variant of this on Connect as well, but you have to get the Class 331 first, which you get the 331-0 for 1,500 points. Then you have two variants of the 331, a Pride version and a normal version, which has 3 coaches. And then the Connect one, the Connect 195, it costs 500 points, but it's unlocked when you do not have the 331. Anyways, there goes 195117 off to Benton. That will call at Farleigh, James Street, Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and Benton. So there goes that one. We'll see what is next. I think I can hear another one. I think it might be a passing one actually. But it can get quite confusing because I can hear the Connect line and I can hear this line as well. I think it is a passing one.
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
That was a 379, one of the underrated trains on the game. 379 stroke, dash 0, sorry, not stroke. Some people say stroke, some people say dash, but I call it dash. Anyway, there goes that one, and we got another train heading to Esterfield from, heading to Esterfield from Benton. So we'll see that one turn up in the next few minutes. So it looks like we have got another YouTuber here as well, and I think I can hear the other Esterfield train coming right now. Well, it's delayed by 1 minute now, but I think I can hear it getting more closer now, so yeah. I think I can hear it coming now.
Platform 1 for the 2038 Waterline service to Esterfield. Calling at Esterfield only. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
319421 to Esterfield, the rarest train on the Waterline network. The one that desperately needs a mesh upgrade. I mean, just look at it. It's just pure awful. Can't wait to see a mesh upgrade on that
Platform
one. Platform
2 for the 2039 Waterline service to Benton. Calling at Farleigh, James Street, Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and Benton. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
And here is another 379. That's 379073. So this guy's like a minute early. Off goes that one to Benton. That will call out Farleigh, James Street, Airport West, Cambridge Street Parkway and Benton. And that 319 that was heading over to Esterfield is now going to call out Esterfield only. We'll see what is next. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I'm going to have to cut this video short unfortunately, because there is no action at Rosedale Village, and someone else is requesting me to do, is actually recommending me to go to another station. So I'm going to go to Leighton West, and then I'll do some train spotting there. But thank you so much for watching today's video. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out.